Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the second install on Daniel's Mustang.
That's not a 10. That ain't no 10.
So we're doing throttle body today. We already removed the intake manifold and we're gonna put that obviously back on. We need to put the throttle body and then he got a coil pack as well. So I'm just gonna record this whole process once again because we did the first install and we're just gonna keep doing it. I'm always cameraman on this shit, so what's happening right now?
We are disconnecting the 4 mounting bolts from the throttle body to the intake manifold right now.
Hey Daniel.
Hey Tyler.
You want to explain what a throttle body does to people that don't know what it does?
Allows more air into the engine.
Alright.
Well, an upgraded one.
Yeah.
So,
the diameter of this hole changes to let more airflow in. 56?
Yeah.
What is stock?
I don't know. No. My head.
oh my god. So that sensor or some shit, that's on there. So
we got a cotter
great
pin.
news. Got a fucking cotter pin there.
What is this?
So you have more airflow here because this piece inside is thinner, which allows more air to come in. So it's basically why this is all set up like this. Okay, so the issue here is that trying to bolt it back in, there's not enough clearance for the bolt, and we either need to go get a new bolt without the flanges on the side or shave it down. We're not at the shop, so there's nothing to shave it down with, so we're faced with that issue. Legit V6 Stang build.
There we go. Out with the hole.
Nice.
Does it plug right in?
It does, but it's...
That's gotta get pulled out.
Yeah, it's gotta get like pulled out and like put on at the same time. This is it, yeah.
This isn't it?
No, this. It's this
Oh,
one.
so 2's right here. So put that one in. Does it click in?
Yeah, or no, they don't, but
They don't
it says
in?
they should, but they don't.
It clicked in.
Okay.
Decent.
So
4
this
goes
one
where?
goes here.
4
Watch out.
goes down here. Yeah, 4 goes down here. 8 corn nuts. Alright, thank you.
You guys like Evo 10s? So do I.
Okay. Bolt is
Brother.
not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, so basically everything's in. The coil pack here.
We just double check everything.
Just making sure everything's good in there. We got the throttle body in here. So bolted everything back in. Hopefully we'll be good.
You ready?
Yeah. Great job, boys. Great job.
Now wait, hold on.
Perfect install. Could be poor connection on the sparks. That was it. That was it. That was it. Okay.
The intake's all messed up in a row.
Yeah.
Like down here it's not.
That was it. It was just a sensor. At first we thought it was a plug. It was just a sensor.
Like literally I lit the tires up and at a standstill burnout.
Oh, he forgot the hubcap.
Here, just pop it on. Just pop it on. Yeah, just pop it on. Dude, that looks so jank then. I believe, but you'll see.
Alright, so this guy just got his license yesterday.
Doing burnouts.
We live in Mexico, obviously, so there's no fucking laws.
Straight up, dude.
Check both ways, because we're still in Mexico, but we want to be safe. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. The install went well with very few hiccups. Daniel, I'm not turning the camera right now, he's doing some... I got Lucas set up with my old SL1, so no more SL1 on the channel, strictly the ADD. The quality will be a lot better, I think. Anyways, see you in the next install or video.
Ay, ay, ay. Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world's spent.